Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the Pipe 5x5 standing live in Dubai with Eunice. Eunice, how are you doing today?
I'm good. It's Crypto Unicorn on the show, by the way.
Crypto
with
Unicorn.
The E.
Yes. You can find her on Twitter and on Instagram, right? You have to go follow her right now on Instagram and on Twitter, right?
Thank you very much.
Okay, so we're gonna put that in the description. She's a trader, right? She's done very well for herself and for her followers, right? Isn't that true?
I would say so most of the time. Thank you.
Yes. In fact, you've helped a lot of women. You know,
I do. It's all about the girls. The girls come to me.
Alrighty. So today we're going to be talking about obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the cryptocurrencies that she's traded. So you could probably jump in on a trade with her, right? So don't miss out. Watch this all the way to the end. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, the bell button, and all. And let's get to it. Let's start off with Bitcoin, as we always do, right? Bitcoin, right? I told you on Friday what was going to happen. I told everybody, and I told you that this was just going to bounce off the bottom. It was not going to break down. And what happened? We continued higher. Now, I'm saying it should be a lot higher than this, but right now we're just stuck in what's called the point of control. The point of control, if you look at the volume profile, is where you don't want it to be in a trade because it can chop you out half the time. So I would suggest you wait, right? Maybe if you're in this trade, maybe you take some profits off the table. If you're like waiting, if you want to know where is your entry to take the long, because I did mention yesterday that I believed that we were going all the way to the 61.8, which is the 17K, which makes the most sense. I'm going to turn off the VPVR, and I'm going to make this a little bit more visual friendly for phones, because you know, people on the phone,
It's quite...
they don't see, all these numbers are not visible unless, you know, you make them a lot bigger. So right now, right, so I really think that we're going to 61.8, and I really think, and that you agree with me that we're going to roll over and you get a
Yes,
chance.
we are going down back to the support zone.
Which is the 16,000.
16,364.
Yes, and
since we're in the 4-hour chart, I would say probably 3 more candles, so it's about 12 hours. We should be able to go up again into that zone. So 16,500.
I agree, but you know what? Although I agree, you never know what's going to happen. But I would suggest you wait for that retest, right, before you get into a long.
Oh, always wait. I just think that Bitcoin's still a little bit shaky, so we are not in any rush into anything. Be patient because it will set up again.
Exactly. And then right now you can't see any kind of setup even on lower time frames. It's just like, it looks like traps to me, all traps. So I wouldn't be bothered. Especially on the weekend. There's a lot of people who like to take the kids' money on the weekend.
And I would say it's drunk people trading.
Exactly. Yeah, it's worst. Okay, let's head over to Ethereum. It's pretty much the same. You can see that you know what? We broke up 5%. If you did a 10x, you made 50%, right? On that, I know that I did say that it could go as high as the 78.6, which is the $12,087 level. So can it go all the way there? Yes, I still believe it can. It's just, you know what? We could have a little bit of a retracement as well.
I'm pretty sure we're going to have a retracement. We're going to go back to the support zone, which you have it here, 11,079.
Yes, exactly.
So no rush.
Exactly. So cool your jets, people. Don't jump in. Don't FOMO.
We're not jumping into ape train. This is not the time.
Exactly. All right. With that said, I want to talk about this new product called FOREX Robot. Right. It's a bot trading platform. If you're interested in this, right, you can just head over to mmc.davincij15.com. Links are also in the description. This bot, right, I've tried it and I've seen within 2 weeks, 20% increase in my portfolio. If you see, you can see all the people. They don't have a lot of people using it, and these are some of the people that are using it. Look what the gains they're getting now. It's not always typical. So they say about 7-8% is the gains for a year. Yeah, it depends on your risk profile, how you set up the bot and stuff like that. And they'll make some recommendations for you. But you can see this person, he went, full balls to the wall.
Absolute risk. Trading? That's crazy.
Absolute risk. And, he got 110% at the peak.
That's the top. That's
right.
It.
Of his, and that's within within 3 months.
Wow.
Right. And so, yeah, but he went crazy. He went a little crazy on their high risk, right? As I was told. Okay. So yeah, if you're interested in that, right, just, head over to mmc.davincij15.com. Okay. Alrighty, let's take a look at your trades.
Let's have a look. So today I longed APT, Aptos, 6 hours ago. Let's have a look at the charts.
Okay.
APT.
So at this chart, this APT, let's start with that one.
This is
APT. Okay, there we go. So this is an interesting chart here.
Well, we have to draw the line from up here.
Okay. And I'm going to move this out of the way and then yeah, so
that's the breakout.
Yeah.
And
so yes, I would agree. We've got a little bit of a Wing action happening here. Right? You can see it right here. This is a clear W action here, and then we have broken out of it from this. This would be the top level here of the breakout. Guys, so yes, this is a clear breakout, and I would suggest you could jump on this for targeting. I can give you guys a target since Eunice, you don't have a target, do you?
I don't have a target.
I see a target.
What's the target?
Right, it's from the bottom of this. We can go from here to there, and take the target of $6.23. So. With that said, there's an easy target there. So where would you be your stop losses if you're trading this? It's really simple, right? You take your take the entry and you go 2-to-1 risk to reward. So you want a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio right here, and you want to ensure. So right now that's 1 to 1.22. So we're going to go to 2-to-1. So this would be your stop loss right about here.
Yeah, that's exactly what I have my stop loss today when I bought it. So it's around $4.30.
Yeah, they're $4.28.
And I usually have a trailer stop as we go up. So I'll probably take profit in between here in the red line. So you would have been here, I would take some profits and then have the stop loss above.
50%. Yeah, 50%. Yeah, taking stop loss, taking some profits at 50% makes sense. Right, of the way,
safe.
To be safe, yeah, exactly, and
lock it in.
That's how it's done.
All right. Next chart. I haven't long this one, but let's draw some lines.
Okay, yes.
QNT is coming from the top to the bottom and consolidated in short-term frame.
Yep, and it's created the exact same thing. That nice W bottom. You can see the W right here. So with that said, this is once again straightforward, just rinse and repeat, right? There's the breakout, right? We're almost broken out, but right, if you want to count the trend line as the breakout, that's fine too. And you can start riding this thing higher. Again, it's really straightforward. The stop loss, right, and the target, it's like, 1-to-1 to this W right at the top of the W here. So let's do that. And right here, and then we just move this to the target, move this so that we have a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Take profits, right? 50%, right? Around 50%, and then we let the rest ride, see if we could hit the target of $157.66. Yes.
If we enter in that level, which is currently at 120, and then you take profits at 140, and then you close trade around 157.
There you go. There you have it, folks. Right? It's pretty straightforward.
Let's make some moolah.
Exactly. All right. Well, one more thing I'd like to close off is that, as you know, I'm part of NFTSHILL.io, website that allows you to actually show off your NFTs. If you have NFTs that you want to show off, or have an NFT collection that you want to post on this website, you can do so for absolutely free. So share it with your friends and anyone who's building an NFT project. I really appreciate it. All right, well, that's it for today. Eunice, thank you very much for coming on the show.
Well, thank you.
All right, that was excellent analysis. Right?
Well, thanks very much.
And I think everybody
seeing me much.
Exactly. I think everybody can make some money off of your trades. Cheers, people.
Cheers.